Hey everyone, I'm Brian, and today I want to talk to you about something that's on a lot of our minds, and that is artificial intelligence, or what some of us know as AI. So you've probably heard people talk, or maybe you even said it yourself. People are talking about the fear that they have of AI taking over their jobs and making us obsolete. Now I get it, these concerns are real, especially in our world where technology is changing so fast. And I've had people ask me for my own thoughts, and the question that I like to ask in return is, well, can we even stop this AI movement? So today I want to give you a different angle to consider and become more aware of, especially if you're an educator, a leader of an organization or a business. You see, you're not only navigating these changes, you're in a position to empower those around you to think differently. You see, your students and your teams will look to you for guidance in these shifting times. And you have the power to help them adapt, to turn what seems like a challenge into an opportunity. So let's take some time to talk about AI. Is it powerful? Yes. And will it change how we work? Of course, it already is. But is it really the enemy, or is it just a misunderstood tool? What if instead of seeing AI as a replacement, we started seeing it as something that supports us and can enhance our work moving forward? So before we dive into my own experience, let's begin our discussion with something that Wired recently posted online. I feel they really hit the nail on the head here. They talked about adopting a skills-first mindset instead of a job title, both for employees and employers. I'll post a link to that article in the show notes right below. Now here's what caught my eye. They said the skills required for many jobs have changed by a staggering 25% since 2015. And that number is expected to reach at least 65%. Did you hear that? 65% by 2030. And you might be asking yourself, well, why? Well, it's because of the rapid development in technology like AI. You see, it's not just about keeping up with technology. It's about evolving our skill sets. Will people lose jobs because of AI? Yeah, they probably will. And probably some may have already. But the question I want to encourage us all to be thinking more about is, how can we leverage AI to enhance our unique skills and create new opportunities for growth in our careers, in your career? I believe that human skills, those that an algorithm can't replicate, will become even more vital as we move forward in this new era. For example, I'm focused on learning how to ask better questions. After all, everyone can find an answer today anywhere. But what about those more meaningful questions? Are we asking the right questions? As a digital strategist, I've seen both sides of this coin. I've seen the worries, but I've also seen the incredible potential that AI has when we use it correctly and responsibly. My role? Well, I'm here to help you navigate this, to use technology to serve your purpose, not the other way around. What if you think about AI as a tool instead of a cyborg assassin trying to kill Sarah O'Connor? See, it's a tool that can help us handle the repetitive tasks that eat up our precious time and resources every day. We could use this tool to help get back more time to spend on doing the things that really matter more. But what's that for you? That's a question that you're going to have to answer for yourself. For me, it's the human stuff. How can I use AI to not replace the human touch, but bring it into more of a sharper focus in my own personal and work life? Like freeing up time to focus on building relationships, connecting with people, establishing trust, and being more present in the now. So after this video, take some time to reflect on these questions. Imagine a future where AI is your partner, not a threat. A future where your unique human skills are more valuable than ever. And remember, navigating the digital world doesn't have to be a journey you take alone. If you're looking to harness the power of digital technology more mindfully and purposefully, I'm here to guide and coach you every step of the way. Check out the links in this episode notes, and let's embark on this transformative journey together.